Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change your password on PlayStation 5. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To change your password on PlayStation 5, you'll need to access your account settings through the PlayStation Network. Here's how you can do it. From the PS5 home screen, go to the top right corner and choose to click the settings. Scroll down and choose users and accounts. Choose login settings. Choose change password. And here you'll need to enter your current password. And then, after that, your next desired password. Just follow the prompts to confirm your new password. By following these steps, you can change your PSN password directly on your PlayStation 5 console. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.